Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. But before we get to this video, don't forget to give this a share, a thumbs up, and a subscribe. So let's unbox this ornament from Hallmark keepsake. As you know, I have my little cockatiel featured. Isn't he cute? Want to see what it is? You afraid? See? They randomly give you one. I think I want this one, this color. Probably can repaint it, but that's too much work for me. So let's open it up. This retails for like, pretty expensive, y'all. I think $17, $17 or $18, but you know, anything cockatiel, I love. Right, Ash? He's camera shy. Oh no, he's too scared. He's very shy. Let's open it. I dropped it for a hot second. Oh. Mystery! I think I want the yellow one because white tends to fade into like a yellow outline. Which one is this one? Is this is the white one? I don't even tell the difference because it kind of looks similar to me. There it is. Check it out. It's the white one with the yellow head. Look at that, isn't it cute? Oh my god, it break. I dropped it earlier. Is there a crack right there? Is that a crack, guys? Where is it? Right there. No, it's pretty fragile. Oh my god, that's cute. So cute. Hey Ash, you want to say hello? Say hi. Say hi, Ash. No, he's scared. Scared? So look at the detail. Oof. I don't want to break it, so we got the little flower. Little perchy thing. It's gold. I think that's Swarovski crystals on the wings. Details on the tail. I feel like this breaks easily, so that's what I'm afraid of. It's a bit glary because it's white against, yeah, it's just white. Oh, so cute. Look at, say hi, Ash. Nope. Okay. Okay, but yeah, that's it. That's a little cockatiel. The tail is really exaggerated. So, not sure you can see it. But right there, it says 2019 Hallmark. Oh no, on the top it says 2020. I think they just added the 2020 because this is literally the gold, the one from last year, but they just gave it a different color. Cute, right? See, compared to my actual bird. Come here, Ash. Yes, see? Let's see. Let's see more. Let's get more cockatiel time in there. Yes. Hi, Ash. But yeah, I think I'm fine with this one because the other one was a bit too monotone. This at least gives you two colors. And yeah. If you like this video, definitely give this a thumbs up, share, and comment what you liked and what you didn't like about this ornament. Subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night wherever it's at. Okay, bye.